Wait! Before you hit that publish button on the article, here are a few things that you should check. Content accuracy, technical checks for SEO, content distribution checks, and I'll also give a bonus tip, but towards the end of the video. Whether you're running a blog or a full-fledged news website, the articles you put out fuel all of your traffic. But as you grow, it becomes more important than ever to have a set number of checks and balances to ensure that the quality of your content isn't compromised. Now, here are some of the best practices that you can follow and continue to build your audience and scale your website. Content accuracy. Now, the accuracy of your content is sure to bring you traffic and praise from your audience. As a result, the first thing to check for is the accuracy of the content you are about to publish. In terms of factual accuracy, double check all facts, figures, and quotes. Use a minimum of 2 sources, especially for sensitive or controversial topics. Add credibility by citing sources and consider adding a link to these. For content pieces where sources can't be cited for confidentiality, ensure that the source is genuine and reputed. Your website's credibility is at risk when you publish incorrect articles and can cause your audience to lose trust. Technical accuracy. Now, ensure technical details like product specifications and code snippets are accurate and up to date. Since these are repeated very often, it is possible to overlook these details. An error here is highly likely, and if you ask me, feels a bit silly as well. Editors should check these details by looking at a reference page or sheet and not rely purely on their memory to reduce these type of errors. Objectivity. Maintain a neutral and objective tone, avoiding personal opinions or biases. Reserve opinions for reviews and opinion pieces. It would be a good idea to link opinion pieces to the article you're writing, but don't mention your opinion there. Clarity. Use clear, concise language that your target audience understands. Avoid jargon or overly technical terms without explanation. This helps reduce bounce rates and helps increase the time on site for your website by engaging your audience. Introduce new terms with examples to help your audience understand them better. Work on the structure and flow. Now, ensure that your article has a logical structure with a clear introduction, body, and conclusion. Check for smooth transitions between sections. Now, certain publications have a set structure for news, reviews, and opinion pieces. If you have a structure created for certain types of articles, ensure that these are met before publishing. Headings and subheadings. Use informative headings and subheadings that accurately reflect the content and aid scannability. Now, think of headings and subheadings as a guide that helps readers navigate through the article. Using a table of content will also help readers jump to the section that has the information they need. Now that I've covered some of the content suggestions, here are a few technical checks, SEO optimization, that you should do. Now, I know it's a very common suggestion. Now, include relevant keywords in the title, meta description, and the body text, but avoid keyword stuffing. Ensure that your URL has the required keywords. Do this just before you hit the publish button so that you don't forget it. Personally, I prefer to finalize my URL, copy it, and then hit publish, and then move on to distributing it. Now, it has now become a process for me that ensures that I never miss it. Internal linking. Link to relevant internal articles for context and to improve website navigation. Internal linking is a strong SEO practice that is often overlooked. By linking internally, you not only boost your SEO, but also build paths for readers to visit other related pages and consume your content. Broken links. Check that all external links are functioning properly. Broken links are bad for SEO and also cause a bad user experience for the reader. Image optimization. Now, ensure that images that you've used are high quality, relevant to the content, and properly sized for web as well as mobile use. Use alt text for images to improve accessibility and, of course, SEO. While choosing the image, watermark it appropriately if it is exclusive to your publication. While selecting images, ensure that the size works well for readers on mobile devices. You can also use image optimization plugins to ensure that these images don't affect your page load speed. Now, I've done a video for the best tools and I'll drop a link of it in the description. Mobile responsiveness. Verify that the article displays correctly and is user-friendly on all devices, including desktops, tablets, and smartphones. You can do that by using the preview feature on your CMS. Now, here are some of the additional checks that I would want you to do as well. Proofreading and editing. Now, proofread thoroughly for typos, grammatical errors, and formatting inconsistencies. Consider a second set of eyes for proofreading. Ensure that the article is copy checked by an editor after the writer has drafted it. This ensures that errors are caught before the article goes live. Copyright and permission. Now, this is important. Ensure you have the right to use all the images, videos, and other content in the article. Add credit to images and videos when you're using them from a different source. It is required to seek permission from the original content creator when posting their content. Legal and ethical compliances. This ensures that the content you are covering is legal for you to do so. Checking the article for plagiarism ensures that your publication does not plagiarize someone else's content. Scheduling. While you are in the rush to hit the publish button, when it comes to breaking news, don't rush while scheduling articles. I've often seen articles with embargoed content getting published before the embargo, simply because it wasn't scheduled correctly. This can be a major issue, so double check the time and date before you hit the schedule button for articles. Now for the bonus tip. Check your content management system, that is the CMS, for built-in features to automate some of these checks, such as broken link detection and SEO optimization. If you are on WordPress, you can use plugins that can help with SEO and even scheduling articles easily. Need help with these? Well, drop a comment and I'll create a fresh video for these. That's all for now.